Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create cartoon characters in Ortiz AI, which is an amazing generative AI design platform. First of all, you can use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot to generate a character profile like I did here. And then you can obviously add any other characteristics if you need to. And then based on this, we can generate the cartoon characters. So I'm logged into my Ortiz account. This is the main dashboard area. Click on Create Design, and then choose this option for Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 5 section. Click on AI Design Assistance, and then from these options, click on Character Creator. It'll bring you to this page. I'll use this drop down to choose a style. I'll go with Pixar style. Next, I'll use this drop down and choose 4 for the quantity of images. And in this prompt box, I'll copy and paste my cartoon character prompt that I showed you earlier. Next, I'll click on Generate Character, and it will redirect to the Personal Design section and then start generating the cartoon characters. It usually takes just a few seconds. And here are the 4 images of the generated cartoon character. Let me scroll down. You can then hover your mouse over a specific image and then click the download button to download it to your computer. Similarly, you can generate more characters. So I asked Microsoft Copilot to generate a similar character profile for a male cartoon character, as you can see here. And here is the male Pixar style cartoon character it generated in Ortiz. So I picked these 2 versions of the characters. I then used the VideoExpress AI app to create talking photos from these 2 cartoon characters. So let me play it so you can see it.
Hey, I'm Max and I'm here with my good friend Ellie.
Max and me are both Pixar-styled cartoon characters that Anthony generated.
That's right. Anthony used Ortiz to generate both these characters.
And then used the VideoExpress app to create these talking photos.
You can check Anthony's tutorials to learn more.
That was pretty cool, right? You can do a lot more with Ortiz and VideoExpress. You can check the links in the description section to get them at a discounted price and a one-time cost. There are no monthly fees and you're not limited to any AI credits. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.